Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. Friends, today we discuss about our exercise. First example of exercise is in which of the following example of motion can the body be considered approximately a point object? Friends, first of all, I give one example. Earth is revolve around the sun. In some cases, Earth and sun we assume as a point. Suppose now we want to find out gravitational force between them. So Earth and Moon we assume as a one particle because Earth is revolve around the sun and this distance is very large compared to them size. So with the help of this example we understand our first example. A railway carriage moving without jerks between two stations. Friends, here distance between two stations is large compared to train. So in this case, now train we as a point. We consider it. Second, monkey sitting on the top of a man cycling smoothly on a circular track. Friends, here one person is cycling on circular track and length of the circular track is large compared to bicycle. So in this case we assume monkey otherwise man as a point. Third, spinning cricket ball that turns sharply on hitting the ground. When ball is thrown on the ground, this space is very small compared to ball. So here in this case we not consider ball as a point. D. A tumbling breakers that has slipped off the edge of a table. Look here edge of the table is very small and diameter of the beaker is large. So in this case beaker we are not assume as a point. Okay, second question is a woman start from her home at 9 a.m. walk with a speed of 5 km per hour on a state road up to her office 2.5 km away. Stay at the office up to 5 p.m. and return home by an auto with a speed of 25 km per hour. Choose suitable scale and plot the x versus t graph from her motion. Look here friends, first of all we consider our graph. On y-axis now we take distance and on x-axis now we take time. Here time is 9 o'clock at point D. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is a distance. Woman start to walk continuously and its speed is 5 km per hour in state road. Look here. So 0 is a origin and A is a office of the woman. At point A, she reached at time is 9:30 p.m. a.m. and she stay 9:30 to 5 p.m. at office. After she travel by auto rickshaw and he reach at house. So look here, first of all, time taken by woman to reach office from home means T1 is equal to distance upon velocity. Here distance is equal to 2.5 kilometer available. Velocity is 5 km per hour. So answer is 1 by 2 hour means 30 minute, not 0.30 minute. Here printing mistake. Now in the graph t is equal to 9 am, then x is equal to 0, and in time t is equal to 9:30 am, then x is equal to 2.5 kilometer. She stay at office from 9:30 am to 5 pm. Hence displacements covered x is equal to 2.5 kilometer. She returned back with 25 km per hour, so that time taken to return back means T2 is equal to 2.5 upon 25 means 1 upon 10 hour means 6 minutes. So she reached at home at 5:06 p.m. It is shown by BC in graph. And third, the position time graph for two children A and B returning from their school O to their home P and Q respectively are shown in figure. Chosen the correct enters in the brackets below. First, with respect to B, position of A lives closer to the school than A respect to B. B respect to A start from the school earlier than A respect to B. B respect to A walk faster than A respect to B. A and B reach home at the same otherwise different time. And last, with respect to B, A overtake A respect to B on the road. These 5 questions. So first of all we show this graph. Look here, on x-axis, on y-axis now we take distance, and on x-axis now we take time. Here student A is start from origin and he reached at home at P. Look here. And student B is start from time t is equal to C and he reached at home at Q. So from the figure we can say that OQ is large compared to OP. Here distance OQ is large compared to OP. So it is clear from the graph that OQ greater than OP. Hence A is near to school than B. B. A start from O and B start from C. Look here, A start from O and B start from C. It means A start the motion earlier than B. C. Slope of x versus t is value of speed. Slope of B greater than slope of A, hence speed of B greater than speed of A. D. A and B both reach at home at the same time. Look here. This same time both are reach at same time. And last, the graph of the both intersects at point D. Both are intersect. A starts earlier than B, hence here B will overtake A. Friends, last example are not IMP, but we learn it.